Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be picking up our W58 and our drive shaft and our 2JZ 1JZ flywheel. So that's going to be awesome. I'm going to go visit my friend who has it on his Supra. We're going to go pull it out. So the video is not going to be too long, it's going to be pretty short. But I hope you guys do enjoy the video, and if you do, make sure to hit that like to help the video be seen. Share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe if you're new. And I'm here with the Sup. Show you guys. Supra just chilling. But yeah, so we're gonna get into that. We're gonna head to Arvin's shop, and you guys definitely want to follow him. I'll leave his YouTube link and his business information as well. So let's get out of here. Let's go. Whoosh! All right, guys, just got here at A70 Motorsports. Guys, make sure you check out my boy Arvin. If you guys need any work needed, so yeah, definitely hit him up. And they'll help you guys with any JDM cars, any of your Supras, the Subaru, because that's Arvin right there. So, and I just picked up the flywheel from him. I'll show you guys real quick the W58 flywheel. It's right here. And he's also selling me the tranny like I stated earlier. And I got the flywheel. So, yeah, definitely Arvin is being the plug right now. Like I said, they build a lot of cars, so we're gonna go work on removing the tranny right now. It's gonna be pretty quick. We do it a lot, so. But yeah, come check out their office. Make sure to hit them up, and they got you guys with any need, any work you need done. Arvin got you. Still have that 7M block in there. I thought you got rid of it. Yeah, I'll give it 50 for the block.
So 700?
Like I said, we're gonna move the transmission. It's attached to the 7M, as you guys already saw. 7M GE block. Oh. Hey, you know what I didn't bring was I was thinking you guys, the block wasn't there. The engine was gone.
Then the transmission wouldn't be in.
No, I thought it was just, well, somewhere I was thinking you didn't have it.
The transmission wouldn't be in if the downpipe was in, or the engine.
The block? Yeah. I think I have, this is 14. I learned because of this guy.
About what?
About the engine, remember? I don't have a, oh, there we go.
You might have to remove the. You might have to remove the downpipe though.
Can I get the socket in there or no? Nope. All right, that's how we're doing it.
Well, just the top bolts.
Oh yeah. Come on, bro. Here, I'll do it. Let me do it. Come on now. I didn't know this guy got to ask some fee after we're done.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
Wait, he said free lunch after.
Oh,
I'm doing it.
Me, dude. You guys are killing me. Okay, it looks like Arvin's gonna take off the top bolts, and you know, the master mechanic right here, Paul, just watching over us. You know, guy never, but he teached Arvin how to work on cars. Really? Back in 2010, it was pretty crazy. You're a good mechanic, bro.
I don't know. Kurba Mansbury is different on in person and on YouTube, right?
Really? You think so?
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
Sure.
In person, he calls people out, but not on his YouTube.
Okay. All right. Okay. Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them.
He says his
Hey,
V6 Mustang's faster.
My V6 Mustang is faster than his
yeah.
MR2.
Turbo.
You know, turbo. Okay. And I've been trying to race this guys for a while, but they've been flaking. So it is what it is, you know.
Excuses about his work.
We got ball tires, he says. What else?
Hey, y'all know I smack them. You already know.
So then put a date on it.
I already said Friday. Let's race. They don't want to race me on Friday. They're too scared. I don't know what it is. Cause they know I mustn't gonna smack.
YouTube, huh?
Yeah. So when are you gonna tell your viewers when you lose?
Subscribe for
They'll never know. Yeah, I'll just subscribe to watch this awesome race of me, you know, winning.
Yeah.
Here you get the starter off. So you gonna let me do this or what?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I can't.
You'll do everything underneath the car.
Oh, okay, bet. That's much easier anyways.
Yeah.
Got the car all jacked up. A lot of space to work with. Hopefully that downpipe doesn't get in the way. Alright, under we go. It's a W58. I gotta get this bolt. Hey, the bolt's already off, bro. There's nothing under here. Supposed to get this. Ah, yeah, much easier. Just gotta get that.
Yeah, you gotta stop bugging out, you know.
I know I'm bugging out on a stack, bro. On a stack.
What the fuck does that even mean on a stack?
Where do you learn this? I don't know.
From Arvin. He always been talking smack.
What would you call this language?
Oh.
Just use your phone.
Space, we gotta. Yeah. Hey, you changed the fluid on this recently?
What fluid?
The transmission fluid. It looks like somebody did. It's pretty clean. The boat. Like either somebody like
Hey, what's the
filled it up or something. Well, cause I know they didn't drain it. Doesn't look like.
Well, it is a low mileage car.
Pretty tight.
Wait, make sure that there's no fluid in there.
Yeah.
The guy said that he drained it before he sold it to me.
All right, go figure. Yeah, he did.
What?
Yeah, it looks like he did.
Sure?
Yeah, hopefully. If not, just lay something down.
Yeah, but it's gonna spill all over.
Arvin's in there
Yeah.
taking care of the shifter housing.
And then you.
This is a little bracket, so I'm just gonna break this too, and then the transmission would drop down. Is this zoomed in? No, it's not. So yeah,
You heard it.
I'm gonna try to get this downpipe out of the way first, if anything.
Wait, is my cube? Does that work on his?
Oh yeah. W58, all of it.
Hey, do you wanna? I'll sell you my short shifter. I'm about to take it on my Supra.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a cube short shifter. I'll sell it to you for cheap, man.
dude, there's no way this is coming off.
You want it? $50. I'm about to take it out.
Oh really?
How much?
$50. They're like $150 deal. It's not a fake one.
See, he got it out.
Yeah. Professional.
You're taking that with you.
Oh no! What? Oh my god, dude! I was like breaking my back.
Yeah. You want to pull the block out for me?
Yeah, sure, dude.
So once I shit about me, I'll come out and support it.
Okay.
When you lose, it's the same.
Oh my.
Nothing changed.
My contacts just said you, dude. Alright, we're putting the transmission mount. It's in place. I mean, you just want to crack that loose real quick and see if it leaks? I mean, that's the only way to check before.
I thought you were gonna do that.
No.
Well, no, we're just dropping it down, so it won't matter. It's not like we're gonna leak. We'll just fucking pull it out.
I thought you were gonna pull it out.
I am gonna pull it out once.
Why am I under the car?
I have no clue.
Yeah, get out under the. I can't even get the word right. Get out. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. Get out of. No. Oh my god. Get under. Out. What am I trying to say?
I'm trying to do my job here.
Man, you probably need to get some more sleep. Bro.
I do need to sleep, bro.
Yeah.
I ain't slept. And the starter.
You should the back's not turning?
Nope, it's not. All right. The camera will focus. Yup, the starter doesn't follow me. Holy shit. Startable. Starter is off. Oh shit. Got stuff falling in my eyes. Okay, starter is out. Yes, you see the flywheel teeth? Ooh. So I got this on, this bracket here, and the transmission should start coming off. Alright, got the right socket.
Man, like $70, that was...
I'm gonna do this with one hand, guys. Hold on.
About like 5 or 10 of them?
Yeah.
Times 3, you'd be at
One hand. Did I strip it or did I? I think I stripped it.
I bought it today, this morning, so around 3. So
No, I didn't strip it. I thought I stripped it.
hold it till Friday.
It's gonna loosen this. Loosen this one. Loosen that one. Loosen that one. All right, got all the bolts. Oh yeah, that's the goal. Got all the bolts off. Bam. All right, all the bolts off. Should be transmission should be free to move. I'll pop out. That's what Arvin's working on right now.
You'll need to be the one to pry.
Yeah, yep. From the top, right? Yeah. Here. Because I have access to the little... What the fuck am I pointing at? Hold on.
You might want to pry it from the bottom, because that's where all the weight's going to be.
Yeah. Let's go clean the flywheel.
It should be off.
Yeah. Boom, perfect. Oh, got it off. I don't think it's gonna be clear to come out. Damn. The car isn't high enough.
Okay.
Whew, that was fun.
A lot better than not having the jack.
Yeah. Might have to just. I'm thinking, could we just unstrap it and just bring it down off the right? I'm thinking that's like the easiest way. All right, guys, we get this out of the underhill.
Stuck on it.
Yeah, hold up. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down real quick. We're gonna get that out of there. Bam. There's your W58, guys. We got that W58 out.
No tools.
No tools in there, yeah, it's all good. Tell you what. Just like that, we got the transmission. Fits in the back of your 2015 Mustang. And a whole lot of space back there. So, head back to my place, guys. And yeah, I'm happy we got this. So, close to getting this build finish. Alright guys, so there it is. Got the Supra, got our W58, our 2JZ, 1JZ flywheel drive shaft, and all we need is our clutch, and we can attach this to our transmission. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Me and the boys gonna get some burger. Make sure to check out Arvin's shop, hit him up. I also put down his YouTube link for you guys to check out some of his videos. He hasn't been posting right now, but hopefully he gets on the grind. But nonetheless, we're getting there, guys. I'm out of breath because that shit's heavy. Make sure to hit the like, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.